It really is.
The weather today, I'm waiting for the weekend.
Okay, that's what we need to look forward to because today it doesn't last very long, but it has been a really kind of chilly, raw day today. From time to time, it's actually been spitting some flurries out, but it seems like that's beginning to settle down. Those clouds will begin to move out, but they're hanging in there tough. Temperatures, though, it has been a chilly day today with an afternoon high of only 36 degrees so far. Those winds from the north-northwest at about 14 miles an hour, so they've been breezy for a good portion of the day. Really area-wide, most locations either near freezing or just slightly above freezing, so much colder air moving in with the passage of a cold front that came through late last night, bringing us just a little dusting of some snow into the early morning hours. Here's the winds right now from the northwest. These are just the gusts, reaching up to about 24 miles an hour in areas like Carroll, Denison, and even around Falls City. 23-mile-per-hour wind gust at this hour. The overall general sustained wind anywhere from around 15 to 20. What it actually feels like, though, when you combine the current temperature and with the wind together, makes it feel more like it's sitting in the low to mid and even upper 20s. So when you step outside, much colder than what the actual air temperature is showing. But over the next couple of days, that warming trend that we have been talking about is still on track to arrive, and it really starts tomorrow. Temperatures climbing into the 50s, and then by Saturday, we're looking at 60. So above normal, as we've been talking about. Major storm system that's off the East Coast moving out of the picture. That will allow high pressure to dominate a large portion of the country, and that warming trend will continue. Those winds on Saturday from the south about 30 miles an hour. So threat tracker, no major concerns, just strong gusty winds on Saturday and a chance that we could see some sprinkles, but it's all in the low category through the weekend. Skywise right now, overcast skies. Notice the clearing line taking place just off the west of York. So that clearing line will begin to move in our direction, and it means that temperatures will drop pretty rapidly as we head into the overnight hours. Looking below freezing, many spots mid to upper 20s for morning low. So a cold start to the day on Friday. But in the afternoon, we bump it up to near 50 degrees. Tonight, though, we're going with a low of 25. Clearing skies. Winds will be light tonight from the south, about 5 miles an hour. And then tomorrow afternoon, those winds will be a little breezy, but not too bad from the south-southwest. So that bumps us up to 50 degrees. The next 3 days, it's going to be warm, especially on Saturday. 65, but that's not our only 60-degree reading here over the next 7 days. Sunday, that chance for some sprinkles, 55. But boy, the tail end of February, we are going to be kicking off with 63 degrees. So we end the month on a warm note, but then the first day of March, the bottom sort of drops out. Back to winter weather, a mix potentially on Tuesday with 36, cool day on Wednesday, and another round for some maybe rain and snow as we head into Thursday of next week.
Those colder days, the snow, it's not so bad when it's sandwiched in between the nicer weather.
We get a break here and there, which is nice.
I like it. A kitten with a mustache gives new